In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Notion. First, make sure you're signed in to your Asana account in your browser. Once you're logged in, open the project where you want to connect Notion. This can be any project you already use to manage tasks or workflows. Having a specific project open will make it easier to see how the integration will work in context. At the top of the Asana interface, you may see an option or link that says Skip to Main Content. If that appears, go ahead and click it. This simply jumps you past any navigation elements and takes you directly to the main project view, which is where we'll find the settings we need. Now look towards the top area of the project page near the project name. You'll see several options and icons there. Find the one that opens the project settings. It may look like a small drop-down or a button labeled Settings. Click on that to open the settings panel for this specific project. Inside the project settings, you'll see different tabs or sections. One of these will be labeled Apps. This is where Asana keeps all its integrations and connected tools. Click on the Apps tab to switch to that section. On the Apps page, look for a link or button that says See All Apps. This will take you to the full list of available integrations that Asana supports. Go ahead and click See All Apps so we can search specifically for Notion. Once the app directory opens, you should see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and start typing Notion. As you type, Asana will filter the results to show you any integrations related to Notion. When you see the Notion app appear in the results, click on it. This will open the Notion integration page inside Asana, where you can read a short description of what the integration does and how it connects your tasks and pages. On that Notion integration page, look for the button that says Install Notion for Asana and click it. This begins the installation and connection process. You may be prompted to sign in to your Notion workspace and authorize access. Carefully review the permissions, then confirm to allow Asana and Notion to communicate. After the installation completes, you should be taken to a Notion page, often a Getting Started or Guide page. Here, click on Explore. This will walk you through examples and options for using the integration. Finally, follow any highlighted buttons or prompts on that Notion page. Clicking on the highlighted areas will help you finish configuring the connection so your Asana tasks and Notion pages are properly linked and ready to use together.